here we come to the elevator at the Art Center, I don't know the exact name of, here at Meredith College in Raleigh, North Carolina. This one is an older Dover Impulse. Look at that. I didn't push the button hard enough. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that down lantern. It is completely loose. I don't get to see an older Dover Impulse elevator every day. That down lantern, oh. This elevator was installed in 1987. Phone. Look at this down lantern. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that down lantern is definitely, they need to definitely screw that down lantern in tight. But other than that, right, there it goes. And that's it.